Management and Dragons Entertainment Productions. A big round of applause to Miss Bambi Fuentes and team. Ayan!
Guys, thank you so much. Salamat sa inyo. Siyempre, pag nandito ang Dragons, nandiyan ang Bethlehem. Yung kabanal-banal na nakanapa ay nagaling sa Taste from Holy Land. Yan. Nagpropromote pa eh. Ayan. Salamat po sa inyong lahat. Alam ko na may mga tao dito na busy, pero talagang we love you guys. In the day, start kami ng Dragon, nandiyan na po kayo. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat. Ang Dragons are 2 years already. At ayan, may achievement na kami. Thanks God!
Okay, hello everyone. Maraming salamat na nakarating kayong lahat. Kasi itong media ko na to was long overdue na. Kaya meron kaming isang mabait na kaibigan na nasa press na parang dapat may mga achievements na kayo, dapat i-launch nyo na sila formally para sana naman sumikat at mag-open ng doors sa mga bata. Kasi they're all talented naman. Tapos, actually, aksidente lang naman yung pagbuo eh. It was during the pandemic, even the shooting of Sugat sa Dugo. My God, wala kami protocol din. Ang wala alas 7 ng umaga, hanggang alas 5 ng umaga, nag-shooting kami. Pero, well, okay naman kasi nanalo si Janice ng Best Actress sa Manhattan International Film Festival and nominated kami ng, hindi namin expect ng 5 nominations sa PNBC Star Awards for movies. And then, sold out yung aming concert sa Music Museum. Dapat may part 2 yun noong November 15. Kailan yung kumari kong biyahera, lumayas, pumunta ng Canada. So hopefully baka February, and then hoping for more projects. Yung mga funders dyan na gustong tumulong kasi we have a lot of beautiful plots na ang gusto kasi ng Dragons Production is to make films that are out of the box, not the usual. Kaya nga yung Sugat sa Dugo na yon, nung pinalabas namin siya nationwide sa mga teachers, sa mga government officials, sabi nila sa amin, it took a very courageous producer to be able to come up with an advocacy film na hindi commercial. Pero still, we took the gamble and it paid off naman. Thank you sa lahat ng mga sumuporta from the press con ng Sugat sa Dugo kasi si Janice at si Charmaine Arnaiz ayaw lang din itong malaki ang press con, gusto nila packet lang. So it took us like 4 packet press cons. So hopefully sa tulong ninyo lahat, dumami pa yung projects namin. Tsaka yung mga bata, dumami pa rin yung mga projects nila. Please support us. Kasi nakita nyo naman, they're all talented naman. Sana, in God's perfect time. Thank you so much.
All the press, I love you guys. I love you guys.
We saw them as an inspiration. Sila po yung mga nauna or na-ahead po na group sa amin. So, sila po yung pinagbabasihan po namin ng standards po talaga. Pero, how do we become like them? Of course, we do not compare yung sarili namin, yung group namin sa ibang groups. Kasi ang sarili po namin kalaban is kami po, yung weaknesses po namin. And gusto namin maging strengths din po namin yung someday. And ano po, kalaban po namin yung sarili namin. And more training. And of course, for us po, we value our sisterhood. So if we love each other, we train together. So I think kaya din po namin maging kasing galing ng Bini. And of course, hindi po mag-give up. Yan po yung number 1 din, na walang susukang kahit isa po sa amin. We lift each other's up din po. So, ayun.
So who's the parang leader? May leader ba from that group?
For Gandaras po, ako po yung leader po, at Krista po.
Yan. So ano yung lagi mo ina-advise sa girls of Gandaras and what do you always expect of them?
Actually, every performance, lagi ko pong sinasabi sa kanila na take it as your, kunyari, last performance mo na to. Para lahat mabibigay mo, kahit yun na po yung last. Kahit hindi naman po. Parang ano lang po.
Just to give everything, give it your all.
Yes.
May add po kasi meron po lagi ng advice ni ate sa amin. Lagi niya pong sinasabi na if meron pong pagkakamali yung isang member or meron kaming gustong itama sa bawat isa, we should be open and be honest about it. Kasi yun yung mag-keep ng bond namin. Ayun po.
Okay. Sorry, before we hear from
I am Mira.
I'm Kia.
I'm Elle.
I am Daphne.
We are the Gandaras.
Hello sa inyo lahat, we are Iris, and our leader po is Ate Carrie. I'm Winona, and I will be answering the question po. For us din po, we believe in what our ate said din po, which is not to compare ourselves to other girl groups. We believe in being humble din po, interactions with everybody po, and making sure na relatable din po kami to everyone. And also po, syempre, more trainings and improving our sisterhood din po, like our ates po. We see the girl groups po na sumisikat ngayon talaga na parang, ay sana kami din po soon. Not in a comparing way po, but in parang, yeah, motivation po talaga. So yung sunod po na nasagot po nato si Ate Carbo, which is our leader.
Good afternoon po sa lahat. Naniniwala po kami na para po ma-achieve din namin yung dinidesire namin goals is that we have to be committed at kailangan po namin maging perseverance sa lahat ng bagay. Kasi lagi po namin tinatandaan na ayaw po namin sayangin lahat ng efforts namin at of course ayaw din po namin sayangin yung oras and yung attention ng mga manonood. That's how we show our appreciation po.
Thank you. And just a quick question for Bams. Bams, we started
Dragons Talent Management. Ang una lang ng pangalan si Kai, Shira, si Krista, si Mira, at saka si Elle. Ngayon, it happened na nagkaroon ng reality show sa Channel 5 yung P-pop. So, sobrang pandemic. Close yung salon ng 2 years. So, ginawa na rin namin studio yung salon. So, doon sila, sumali sila, and luckily, from 150 girl groups, down to top 7 yung Gandaras. So, naisip namin, sabi ko, bakit di na lang natin ituloy? Pero at the end of the, of the coin, we are already pitching a trilogy film na horror, bold, at saka super drama. Kaya lang, when we pitch it to a producer, binaril niya, kasi ang sabi niya, the trilogy now is not doing well now. Pero, I don't think so, kasi maganda yung kwento namin eh. Actually, nakopya na nga. So anyway, so meron kaming second, hopefully, na project na horror naman. We thought about horror 2 years ago pa. And now everybody's doing horror. It will never end eh. So yun. Yung parang yung path namin is kung saan pwedeng pumasok yung talent ng mga bata. Kasi they're all trained to be a dancer, a singer, and an actors and actresses.
Ayan, so dapat mga triple threat.
Yeah.
Sila.
Thank you.
Congrats!
Nung nag-start ako pitching the plot, in my mind, it was really a bold theme. It's a trilogy, it's a horror, talagang blood, and then yung bold is also bold, sexy and bloody, and then yung horror is psych, medyo utak-utak. Pero when I realized na ang SM Cinema pala does accept as bold and as gory, so medyo na-realize ko parang, ay, bawasin yung dugo, saka bawasin yung boobs. So ngayon, pag natuloy yun, if ever, na lang siya, na-try namin maging parang batibot. Ayun. Siguro tame na lang, tame down na lang.
For me po, personally, it's not really a pressure, it's more on motivation. Especially, tinatanggap po namin yung ganong title, so parang motivation yun para magpatuloy pa and to become better each and every project that we do.
Yes po. Yeah, tama po si Shira, nakaka-motivate po, lalo na po, passion ko po to. Simula bata pa lang po ko, pangarap ko na po maging artista. Pag umaakti po ko, hindi po ako napapagod. Napapagod po, yes, pero yung pagod na gusto kong ginagawa. And mas kailangan ko pa po mag-workshop, kailangan ko pa po mas improve yung sarili ko para ang title po yung hawak namin ni Shira for 2024 kasi nung 2019, 2020 sila Joshua Garcia, nakaka-pressure po pero sobrang saya po.
Pero you can act and sing, so ano nga gusto nyo ngayon, anong direction ang gusto nyo tahakin ngayon?
Ako po kasi, since I have 2 singles now, yung plan ko po talaga is to continue both. As much as possible both talaga kasi pero ko po silang parang passion. Yun. It makes me happy. It makes me happy every day na iniisip ko na, oh, this is my work, this is what I do. And ayun.
Okay.
For me po, acting po talaga. Actually, magtatayo po si Miss Bambi ng Point U. Pinag-isipan ko po talaga kung sasali po talaga ako. Actually, dahil po sa akin natatagalan eh. For me po, gusto ko po talaga acting. Doon po ako mag-focus sa pag-aarte.
Opo. And from